Welcome to the world is full of abundance and opportunities, yet many people approach the source of life with a teaspoon when they could be using a shovel. They expect little and not surprisingly. So what's the secret to having your prayers answered? In this video, we will unveil a powerful formula to attract miracles through a specific prayer. If you ignore it, your life will likely stay the same. But before we delve into that, let's take a moment to address an important question. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hey everyone, this is a quick shout out to a fantastic new channel called Manifestation that's all about manifesting and creating your dream life. If you're into manifesting abundance and positive vibes, you've got to check them out. Click the link in the description to subscribe and join the manifestation journey. Let's support each other on this path to greatness. Many people approach prayer with a common structure. They ask for personal desires, like improved health, a better job, stronger relationships, or material possessions. Unfortunately, many lack genuine faith in their prayers, going through the motions without truly believing that someone is listening and that their heartfelt pleas will be answered. This traditional way of supplicating, asking, and begging is where the crucial mistake lies. This new technique is called the secret prayer because your prayer should be a direct connection between you and everything that exists. Sharing your prayers with others can weaken their impact and create doubt or negativity. Instead, hold your prayers close and let them remain a secret bond between you and the divine. The first step in the secret prayer is practicing active gratitude. It involves recognizing that life has been gifted to us without us having to ask for or earn it. The deliberate reason why gratitude takes the lead in this formula is its profound ability to create a magnetic force that attracts more things to be grateful for. Gratitude serves as the ultimate cleanser for the mind and paves the way for miracles. Another simple and effective method is to practice the 4 phrases of Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry, forgive me, thank you, I love you. When you repeat these words constantly, they transform into a powerful mantra that cleanses the mind and unlocks your potential in any endeavor you undertake. So, make it a habit to include thank you in all your prayers and requests. With a mindset of gratitude, it's time to ask for what you desire. Creating from a place of contentment with what you already possess yields the best results. Appreciating what you have naturally attracts more abundance. The paradox lies in releasing the belief of scarcity, which then opens the doors for receiving what you truly desire. However, it's crucial to eliminate the energy of desperation. When you ask for something, it's important to hold the belief in your mind that it can be this or something better. Avoid overly fixating on achieving a specific outcome with the mindset of, I will make this happen no matter what. Instead, let your desires become a source of inspiration and fuel for positive energy. The phrase, this or something better, holds significant importance in this step. Now let's explore a powerful prayer for attracting money and abundance into your life, incorporating the principles of active gratitude, isolated request, and inspired action. Thank you for my life and everything within it. I acknowledge the wonderful gift that my life is, and I genuinely appreciate it. I recognize that God is the source of all things good, and money is a manifestation of divine energy in action. I understand that my connection with God is present here and now. I feel a profound sense of wealth and abundance, knowing that I possess a significant amount of money to spend and share today and always. I grasp the concept that true prosperity encompasses perfect health, perfect wealth, and perfect happiness. I am committed to taking action based on the ideas I receive and the opportunities that come my way, understanding that they serve as signs and guidance for attracting more money and living a life filled with magic and miracles. I wholeheartedly accept this or something even better manifesting in my life. Thank you. I love you, God. The secret prayer isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about setting clear intentions. It's about aligning your desires with the greater energy of the universe. When you express gratitude and make an isolated request while maintaining a sense of inspired action, more than just words, it's a mindset. It's a way of living in constant appreciation for the world around you. It's acknowledging the beauty in the everyday, from the sun rising in the morning to the smile of a loved one. When you embrace this mindset, your heart opens to the incredible potential that the universe holds for you. Science also supports the power of gratitude. Studies have shown that people who actively practice gratitude tend to experience more positive emotions, sleep better, express more compassion and kindness, and even have stronger immune systems. When your body and mind are in this positive state, you are more receptive to the energies and opportunities that the universe presents. The practice of Ho'oponopono is another profound aspect of the secret prayer formula. By saying, "I'm sorry, forgive me, thank you, I love you" repeatedly, you are engaging in a process of self-forgiveness and cleansing. It helps you release negative emotions, heal past wounds, and let go of the baggage that may be blocking the flow of positive energy in your life. Forgiveness, whether directed towards yourself or others, is a potent force for transformation. It liberates you from the shackles of resentment, anger, and pain. When you forgive, you create space for positivity to fill the void, allowing your intentions to manifest more freely. Incorporating active gratitude into your daily life can be a profound and transformative experience. It's not just about reciting words. It's about living a life in which you acknowledge the blessings and gifts that surround you. Try to find time each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for, whether it's a beautiful sunrise, a nourishing meal, or a loving friend. When making an isolated request in your secret prayer, it's important to visualize your desires. See them in your mind's eye with clarity and conviction. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you manifest your intentions. It's a way of telling the universe exactly what you want and allowing it to respond accordingly. Gratitude isn't just the result of abundance, it's the cause of abundance. When you practice gratitude, you shift your energy and perspective from one of scarcity to one of abundance. This shift opens up new channels for the universe to provide for you. It's as if the universe responds by saying, "You appreciate what you have. Let me give you more to appreciate." Manifestation through the secret prayer isn't always instantaneous. It's important to remember that the universe operates on its own timeline. Be patient and trust in the process. Your requests may not be answered right away, but they will come to fruition when the time is right. Impatience can disrupt the flow of positive energy and hinder your intentions. The power of the secret prayer is rooted in the present moment. When you express gratitude for the now and make your requests in the present tense, you align yourself with the flow of life. You acknowledge that your connection with the divine is ever present, and this connection is what enables you to manifest your desires. Belief is a driving force behind the secret prayer. You must believe that your prayers will be answered. This belief isn't based on blind faith. It's based on your experiences and the energy you've cultivated through gratitude and positive intention. Trust in the process, and your belief will become a powerful magnet for your desires. Maintaining a positive attitude is key to successful manifestation. Positivity attracts positivity. When you remain positive, you are more likely to recognize opportunities and be open to the guidance of the universe. Negative thoughts and emotions can block the flow of positive energy, so it's crucial to keep them in check. The secret prayer is not a destination but an ongoing journey. It's a way of life that you can continue to practice and refine. As you do, you'll find that your ability to manifest your desires becomes more refined and more powerful. You'll experience a deeper connection with the divine, and a greater sense of the secret prayer is that it's not meant to be kept a secret. Share it with those you care about. Teach them how to use this formula to manifest their desires and live a life filled with abundance and positivity. In doing so, you're not only helping others transform their lives, but you're also creating a network of positive energy that ripples out into the world. In conclusion, the secret prayer is a powerful formula for manifesting anything you desire. It's a path to living a life of abundance, positivity, and miracles. By practicing active gratitude, making isolated requests, and taking inspired action, you can unlock the immense potential of the universe and shape your reality. Embrace this way of life, trust in the process, and share the secret prayer with others. You must watch our latest video on the topic, How to Make Yours Miss You. In this video, we will be telling about the art of manifesting your specific person using the powerful teachings of Neville Goddard and the law of assumption. In this video, we'll explore the intricacies of making your special person miss you. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use this knowledge with caution and respect for the feelings of others. Click on the I button on the top right corner of the video for the link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others on their journey. Together, we can create a world filled with magic and miracles. Thank you for embarking on this transformative journey, and until we meet again, peace out.